Hi guys, welcome again to Learning Tree the Fun Way with Tree Junior Pro. My name is Kwesi, and for today we have one person that needed something translated, and that person is Daniel. Daniel, thanks again for your continued support. And these are the 10 things that Daniel wanted to know. The very first thing that Daniel wanted to know was, Daniel wanted to know how to say one by one. Again, one by one. Now that in Tree can be said as Baako Baako. Again, Baako Baako. One last time. Baako Baako. Slower. Baako Baako. Now the next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, I don't know why. Again, I don't know why. That in Tree can be said as Mennim, nneɛ. Again, Mennim, nneɛ. One last time. Mennim, nneɛ. Slowly. Mennim, nneɛ. Now the third thing that Daniel wanted to know was, it's important. Again, it's important. Now that in Tree can be said as Ehia. Again, Ehia. One last time, Ehia. So basically, if somebody says, Adɛn, what they're trying to say is that thing is important or precious to me. So again, Ehia. Sorry for the noise, I'm actually outside, so there are planes and cars and everything else. Sorry for that. So again, Ehia. The next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, I don't feel like doing anything. Again, I don't feel like doing anything. Now that in Tree can be said as Mempɛ Sɛ mɛyɛ hwee. Again, Mempɛ Sɛ mɛyɛ hwee. One last time. Mempɛ Sɛ mɛyɛ hwee. Literally translated, that is, I don't want to do anything. Again, Mempɛ Sɛ mɛyɛ hwee. But you can also say mɛyɛ kwadwofoɔ. Again, mɛyɛ kwadwofoɔ. One last time. Mɛyɛ kwadwofoɔ. Literally translated to English, mɛyɛ kwadwofoɔ means I am lazy. In turn, if you're lazy, you don't want to do anything at all, right? So again, you can either say Mempɛ Sɛ mɛyɛ hwee or mɛyɛ kwadwofoɔ. Again, Mempɛ Sɛ mɛyɛ hwee or mɛyɛ kwadwofoɔ. The next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, you want me to separate everything. Again, you want me to separate everything. Now that in Tree can be said as Wopɛ Sɛ metete nyinaa ntɛm. Again, Wopɛ Sɛ metete nyinaa ntɛm. One last time. Wopɛ Sɛ metete nyinaa ntɛm. So basically, if you say Wopɛ Sɛ metete nyinaa ntɛm is, do you want me to separate all of them? Again, do you want me to separate all of them? In Tree, that would be Wopɛ Sɛ metete nyinaa ntɛm. Slower. Wopɛ Sɛ metete nyinaa ntɛm. The next thing Daniel wanted to know was, it's not that easy. Again, it's not that easy. Now that in Tree can be said as Ɛnyɛ fosa. Again, Ɛnyɛ fosa. If somebody says Ɛnyɛ fosa, you can actually say, well, it has a lot of meanings, right? It can be that specific thing is not cheap or it's not easy. So again, Ɛnyɛ fosa could be that specific thing is not cheap, or that specific thing is not easy, or it's not easy to come by, right? So again, Ɛnyɛ fosa. Now you can also say ɛna fam sa. Again, ɛna fam sa. Slower. Ɛna fam sa. One last time. Ɛna fam sa. The next thing Daniel wanted to know was, why did he come so early? Again, why did he come so early? Now that in Tree can be said as Adɛn nti na ɔbaa ntɛm saa. Again, Adɛn nti na ɔbaa ntɛm saa. Slower. Adɛn nti na ɔbaa ntɛm saa. Very, very slow. Adɛn nti na ɔbaa ntɛm saa. The next thing that Daniel wanted to know was, so Daniel wanted to know what Bibi Baako actually means in English. Again, Bibi Baako. Now that in English can be said as, is it only that one thing? Is it only that one thing? Again, is it only that one thing? Now that in Tree can be said as Bibi Baako. Again, Bibi Baako. The next thing Daniel wanted to know was, I don't feel like going anywhere. Again, I don't feel like going anywhere. Now that in Tree can be said as Mempɛ Sɛ mekɔ baabiara. Again, Mempɛ Sɛ mekɔ baabiara. One last time. Mempɛ Sɛ mekɔ baabiara. Slower. Mempɛ Sɛ mekɔ baabiara. Again, Mempɛ Sɛ mekɔ baabiara. One last time slowly. Mempɛ Sɛ mekɔ baabiara. The last thing that Daniel wanted to know was, it's not comfortable or comfortable. Again, it's not comfortable or comfortable, right? Now, in hwee, we don't have the word comfortable as one word, right? It's a string of words that actually comes back to the word comfortability, right? So comfortable in itself in hwee is nneɛ, ɛmma, asomdwoeɛ. Asomdwoeɛ is peace, right? Or when something is peaceful, asomdwoeɛ is peace. So if I say nneɛ, ɛmma, asomdwoeɛ, what I'm trying to say is what brings peace, which in turn is whatever makes you comfortable. So again, nneɛ, ɛmma, asomdwoeɛ is what brings peace or what brings comfortability. So if you want to say it's not comfortable, you'd say nneɛ, ɛmma, asomdwoeɛ. Nneɛ, ɛmma, asomdwoeɛ is whatever doesn't bring peace, which in turn could mean whatever doesn't bring comfortability or something that doesn't bring comfort. So again, nneɛ, ɛmma, asomdwoeɛ is whatever doesn't bring peace or it's not comfortable. Then nneɛ, ɛmma, asomdwoeɛ would be something that brings comfortability or comfort, right? Daniel, thanks again for your continued support. I truly appreciate it. Remember, guys, if you want to learn hwee quicker, right, please go get the TWI Junior Pro app. It's on Google Store. With that and these lessons, you learn hwee quicker, right? And remember, guys, please do spread the word. Let anyone who wants to learn hwee or want to find what hwee is about come to this channel, and maybe when they hear, they'll stay and they'll let you subscribe. And remember, guys, if you love the content of the channel, right, please click on the like button. Please click on the subscribe button. And please click on the bell button for future notifications. Guys, with lots of love from me, Kwesi. Bye.